So for new guys, this is a way to go about this eBay starter thing. Now this is a fresh interface. You can see register and sign in, so we are registering. Now rule number one, I would suggest you do not register using continue with Google. Preferably just go with use your email. You can use continue with Google if you want, but I prefer you use your email. Now we're entering our email here. So at gmail.com. So dot makambid at gmail.com. First name, let's say first name is Doria, last name is Beat. We can always change this later. Okay. How's that name spelled?
Yeah, O plus. U. O.
All right. Okay, so let's just make this more legitimate. Okay, so we have this. Now continue. It will ask us to create a password, and you can see at least 8 characters, at least 1 letter and 1 number and a symbol. Okay, so let's come up with something interesting here. So okay. To block it's not to 8 now. Make it 3 ones. So I made it 3 ones, don't bother. So with that, I create my account. I have to blur that out. Now with that, account has been created. You can see it auto generated a username. Now you can always change this username later, and that's not what we are after right now. Now if you go to settings, you discover that there is nothing like a shipping address anywhere here. The only thing you have is selling, ship from, return, and all that. Now we need to introduce a shipping address, and that's where this comes in. You then act like you need to buy an item. Now automatically with this, you can see everything is reflecting in dollars. If you had gone through the Gmail angle, it automatically reflects that you are in Nigeria, and everything starts showing up in Naira. So if you look here, look down, general, country or region, it says United States, because it really doesn't know where you are at right now. Now with that, I can then pick on an item. Let me just say socks. Let's just say sock sets. It can be anything. Now I just want to get an opportunity to impute my shipping address. Now look at this. So let's assume I want to buy this item. It would okay, so you go with the buy now option, or you can simply add to your cart. In order to proceed, we need a little more information, so you okay that, and here it will then require you to input more information about yourself. Now here, using your IP address, it figures out that you are in Nigeria, so you go ahead and input your Nigerian address. In this case, let's say our Nigerian address is wherever we are. City, we are in, or then region, let's say we're in postcode. Usually I just put 234 on postcode. Then your mobile phone number, you have to put your correct mobile phone number here. Why do you have to do that? Because it will be required at some point when they do phone number verification. they would actually send you an SMS to your registered phone number. Do you get? So it's important you do that. I only have a landline. Yeah, I really haven't used that option before, so I really can't tell you how that will play out. Now the moment you do this, something happens with your purchase. It will say something, go to cart. Now it will say something about your purchase. Now if I say go to checkout, it will say something. It will say delivery. Oh, interesting. This person is willing to do international shipping, so it's allowed. Okay, there are instances where the person is not interested in international shipping, so it will tell you cannot be shipped to your location. But here, ship to, at this point of ship to, you can tap this point and actually add a new address. Can you see over there? You had a new address. So you can either do it here or go through what do you call it, or go through your email site, or go through the settings. So first name, the same thing. Your first name is I'm coming. Okay. Okay, in this case we don't have to even stress ourselves. Just say Victoria from Overs. Just leave that way. Then let us now talk about street. The street address is 1234 1234. I'm sure you remember what we had as our address in that. Let me quickly check that up. Okay, 1234 N belt line road, Mbet line road. Then the city is Ivan. While the state is Texas. Ivan. Then states, just go all the way down to Texas. Then with that zip code is just the first number you are interested in, which is 75061. It would add up the other number by itself. Then phone number, if you do not have a phone number here, it will use your Niger phone number, so you can choose to add or not, it doesn't matter. So you can then click here, save as primary address. When you toggle that on, it means automatically it sets you as US. If you don't toggle this on, your Niger address becomes your primary address and everything within the eBay turns to Naira. But I'm toggling this on, so I had this. Oh, sorry, last name. Let's just say, okay, let's just do this. I'm cutting this and I'm saying Asuko from Overs. All right, so that then I had. Now with that added, oh sorry, phone number is requiring me to add phone number here. Okay, if you had through what's the name, it will actually not require a phone number. If you had through settings, it will actually not require a phone number. 388891. Just use this for now and save. All right, so now you can see the address has been imputed into your ship to, and with that you have your shipping address set. Of course, to actually make payments, you then had a card and the rest is history. So with that, we've been able to set up and add a shipping address to our account. Thank you.